This is my table of contents, so these are the aspects that I will cover in my presentation. Just to give you some context, so my study focused on nurses and how they use digital health technologies as part of their daily work activities. So just to give you a little bit of context. So in healthcare today, healthcare systems increasingly rely on these digital health technologies to enhance efficiency, patient care, etc.
Public elementary school in Taiwan, Hualien County, and the data are analyzed and tested with the descriptive statistics t-test and the Pearson moment correlation.
So that is my table of content that I will be touching on, and I will now start with introduction and background. So, why is crisis management competencies important in higher education? Right? And we're going to focus on the fees must fall student crisis, which reshaped South African higher education in the last 10 years. It focused on financial access as well as the decolonization of our curriculum in terms of higher education.
And I would like to thank the organizing team, Viren sir, that he has allowed me as a keynote speaker for this esteemed international conference at Bangkok, Thailand. And I would also extend my thankful to the organization that TheIIER, IRADS and CPTS. And I would also thank to our home institute and the Acharya Institute who has given us a platform to me to explore